Okay. Hello, welcome. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, I just went on the spring 2023 voyage of Semester at Sea, and then I backpacked for a month, and these are the bags that I took with me. If you want to see what I brought with me for backpacking, I have another video that I already uploaded, and so you can go watch that first. Today I'm just going to unpack my two massive suitcases. If you don't know what Semester at Sea is, it's a study abroad program in which you study on a ship. It's basically the sweet life on deck, and then you stop at 10 different ports for about 5 days each, and you go to school on the ship. It's basically a semester abroad. Anyone from anywhere can do it. You don't have to live in the US. And I actually did it as a post-grad, so I graduated in May of 2021. I was going to go last spring, and then I decided to postpone it to this year, and so I just got back a couple days ago. So now it's time to see what I actually shipped home. Semester at Sea works with a service called Luggage Free, and so then you can use them to ship your big suitcases home, which is super helpful, especially if you're wanting to do some more traveling after the voyage is done, which is what I did. And then I was just able to travel with my two backpacks for a month in Europe. And it was a bit expensive, and I'll go over how much everything costs in my How Much Semester at Sea Costs video, which will be coming out soon. Okay, so this is my rolling duffel suitcase. They highly recommend you bring rolling duffel suitcase, but I brought this soft-sided suitcase, and other people bring not rolling duffel suitcases, and you just kind of work out how they fit in your cabin, but it's totally fine. Let's see. I don't think I put anything in this pocket. Oh, magnets. I use magnets to put pieces of paper on my door to say, like, this is where I am. This is a High Sierra rolling duffel, which is really super nice, and it's my grandma's, so thank you, Grandma. Oh, and then I just have scissors in there, and oh, this is my GoPro attachment, and then some extra carabiners. So, in this main compartment, right on top, we have these gloves from oceanography that I never used, but I thought that maybe I could use them for work gloves at home or something. This hat, I had to wear it for lifeboat drills, but other than that, I'm not really a hat person, but I had to have it with. This is my extra water bottle. It has a filter in it, which was really nice. This is a present for my dad. My comb. This is extra hair product, so this is mousse and gel in there. And honestly, I did pretty well packing. I think I brought slightly too many toiletries. Not so much that I couldn't bring them home. These are just pretty much just full bottles that I brought back. So then in here, so I have been buying dishes and cups and utensils for my future house on my travels for like years. So I always come back with like a lot of glass things. They all have to be wrapped so they don't break, obviously. I have one of my face towels that I actually didn't need to bring. I just used the full-size towel they like regularly supplied us with in the bathroom, so I didn't need to bring a separate face towel, but that's just me. This is a bottle this big glass water bottle that we got when we watched flamenco in Spain. They made us pay for this extra water even though we didn't know that we were going to. So I decided that I could take it, obviously, and it's filled with all of my pens because storage. A mini little perfume in this bag. One of my flannels. Let's see what else is wrapped in here. Flannel. Oh yeah. This is a tote bag that I got in Morocco. Oh, it's a plate that I got in Morocco. And another flannel. I didn't wear these flannels as much. I wear flannels as more of Minnesota culture, if you will. Not so much European or abroad culture. But I did wear it on the ship quite a bit. Wrapped in my yellow sea shirt. These are extra water bottle filters. And this is actually a little pot that I made in Cyprus on my field class. It was just wrapped up so I wouldn't get anything else dirty. But yeah, hopefully I'll get to fire this. Oh goodness. This is my green coat that I wrapped this in. This I got in Kenya. I am going to make a full everything I bought on Semester at Sea and while backpacking souvenir video. So I will like go through everything. This is my Semester at Sea sweatshirt, and in here we have a gift for my brother and a gift for my other brother. This I got in Portugal. My blue light glasses. It's a massive packing cube full of lots of clothes. Let's see, what do we have in here? 2 tank tops. Really nice for hot weather because they're super light. They're from Aerie. A crop top. This is my pashmina that I got in Jordan. More tank tops. Shorts for under dresses. So all my shorts, there's like 7 pairs here, and then I brought one pair with me for backpacking. So I think I brought 8 pairs of shorts total. 1 pair of jean shorts that I didn't wear very much, but I'm not a super big jeans shorts girl. And then just like various athletic or nicer looking shorts. A lot of shirts. The one long sleeve that I didn't bring backpacking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other t-shirts here. And then if you want to see what clothes that I brought with for backpacking, then you can see it in that video. But this is just basically anything I didn't bring with backpacking. A sweater and another sweatshirt. That's that whole packing cube. Oh, there's more over here. Then I have this little packing cube, and I think this just has all my dresses. Yeah, this just has 4 dresses that I brought with. I wore for like alumni ball or like fancy dinner. Also not a huge dress girly, so I didn't wear them that much, but I did get use out of them. And honestly, I didn't need to bring 4. I could have survived with 2 and it would have been fine. What is this? Why did I decide it needed to be in a plastic bag? Oh, because I wore them the last night out in Portugal and they got gross. So then this suitcase, it has like a drop bottom. Again, thank you grandma for letting me borrow this. Okay, and under here we have, this is like a foldable blanket that I had on my bed the whole time. You can link to my room tour video, you can see it there, but I brought this with to put on my bed. An amazing choice. I'm so glad I brought it with. Handful of socks. Oh, this is my planner. Highly recommend. Being able to have things written down in here was so helpful. I don't even know where to go with this. Towels I got in Croatia. This is a little plate that I got in India. Raw Elements sunscreen that's reef safe. My tennis shoes that are looking a little smushed from being in this bag for like over a month. More socks, undergarments, and like small clothing that I just like shoved in all the cracks. Crocs, which I didn't wear as much because they say you have to wear closed-toed shoes at all times, but after like 2 weeks, nobody really follows that rule and it's not really a big deal. So I ended up wearing my Birks like every single day, but had that rule been more strict, I definitely would have worn my Crocs more just to have something to like slide on. But yeah, I just have socks and like my swimsuits in here. I had 3 swimsuits with, and I brought one of them with me backpacking. My Nikes, really super nice to have because you can just like wash them off. Also just like socks stuffed inside of these shoes. Honestly, I feel like I had a good amount of like different kinds and amount of socks and like underwear and bras and stuff. I can link my packing video as well so you can see like individually how much of each thing I had. I really do feel like I packed relatively well. However, 2 things that I didn't end up using: my colored pencils, which I thought I was gonna have to use for oceanography, but I didn't. And then my underwater diving case because my friend had a GoPro and I kind of want a GoPro, but that's more expensive than this. So hopefully I'll still use this, and I want to, but I just haven't. My waterproof notebook that I didn't really use for oceanography, but I couldn't get rid of it because why else would I have an excuse to have a waterproof notebook, and I just kind of wanted to keep it. This is super handy. It's a waterproof paper zip folder. Put all my documents in here, and then any like postcards or papers or tickets or anything that I wanted to keep, I just put in here, and they like stayed super nice and flat. Notebooks and folders that I use for school, and my xoxos, which are super handy as well. So that is that whole suitcase empty. Okay, so it's my other suitcase. Whoa. So to start, we have this bag of bags, Ziploc bags, that has been ingrained in me to always have that when traveling from my mom, which definitely came in handy. So just always have Ziploc bags. Then here I have extra hair masks, little hand sanitizers in here. This, oh my god, I haven't seen this. This is my map. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so sad. I'm gonna cry. Look at it. Look at all my friends. Yeah, usually they have really nice foldable maps for sale on the ship, like in the school store, but they didn't restock for our voyage, so only a handful of people got them. So me and my friend Brooklyn went running around Portugal and Lisbon on the last day, and we managed to find these maps that we were able to use. So I'm really happy that I got this, otherwise I would not have a map. And maps are basically used as like our yearbooks. Journal that I completely used up on this voyage. A ton of extra post-its. Harry Potter playing cards. I have 2 Harry Potter playing cards somewhere. Suitcase weigher, super handy. Highly recommend having one of those, especially since for luggage free, for shipping your luggage back. It costs more if they're over 50 pounds. Pajama shorts, top, washcloth that I used in the shower. This was very handy and I'm glad I had this. Face towel, didn't need. This is what's left of my shampoo and aloe, which I didn't use, but I also didn't get burned. In here, these two are bug spray, and I didn't use bug spray very much. In India and Kenya a little bit, but it just really wasn't that much of an issue, so I didn't need nearly this much. I could have done with just one bottle. I did have way too much contact solution. A little unfortunate, but it's fine. And then sunscreen. Didn't use it nearly as much as I definitely should have. It's fine. Oh, this little backpack that I got in Croatia, t-shirt and joggers, more pens because I'm obsessed and I'm a writer, the logic puzzles that I brought with because I really like doing puzzles, present for my brother, rosary, Polaroid camera and extra film, and I think I've just determined that I'm just no longer a Polaroid girly, which is kind of sad because it was fun, but I don't think I literally took a single picture on my Polaroid because it's just something extra to lug around, so that's a little unfortunate, but I guess I can get rid of it now. This is full of all the little note cards and like daily little messages and little tiny gifts that my mom sent me with, so there's something for me to open every single day, which was so cute and so amazing. Oh, here's the other Harry Potter playing cards. Supposed to bring eraser and pencil sharpener for oceanography, didn't use those. This is just an extra packing cube that didn't get used on the way back. Water sprayer, more film, stuffed animal. Oh, what's in here? This is my Lake Superior, Minnesota sweatshirt, and I do not know what I wrapped in this. Oh, multiple things. This is a cup that I got in Cyprus. I'll unwrap it and show it in my souvenirs video. Bar shampoo from Lush, and then I just like stuffed my masks in here. Another sweatshirt. I think I brought 4 sweatshirts with, and I bought a 5th. I think that's the numbers that I have. Oh, there's something in here too. This is another one of my sweatshirts. Oh, this is a plate that I got at La Sagrada Familia. A dangerous stack of things over here. It doesn't look that tall on here, but it's quite large. Hat and gloves that I did not use at all. I'm also from Minnesota, so it just takes a lot for me to get cold. Speaker, handkerchief. Oh, another sweater that I bought. Where did I buy this? That's a really good question. Cyprus, I think. I got this sweater in Cyprus. Oh yeah, and then this is just a little plate that I made in Cyprus. Umbrella. Didn't use it a single time. I had my rain jacket and I always chose to wear that instead. Then there's just some hair binders and mascara and Kleenex in this little bag. Lot more Post-its. Extra jewelry. Quite a bit that I bought in country. This was the door hanger that was inside my closet. Highly recommend having one of these for semester at sea. You don't have a lot of space, so extra storage is always welcome. Converse. My old phone that I brought with just in case I lost mine, but I didn't, so I didn't need to have it, but I'm glad I had it just in case. And this is my Sand Cloud, really nice foldable thin towel. It doesn't take up very much space. So glad I had one of these. This is a big like sweater thing. Where did I get this? Oh, this is a bowl that I got, I'm pretty sure in Portugal. Might have been Spain, but I'm pretty sure it's Portugal. Could be Spain, actually. All my extra medications that I didn't end up needing, but we had to have with just in case. Oh, more Post-its. My little reading light, didn't need it. There's plenty of different like little lights in your room, so it's fine. Another packing cube. Both my suitcases were under 50 pounds, by the way. Super fun pants that I got in Jordan. Overalls from Aerie. Really thin linen pants. These pants I got in India. These ones I already had, but more like really super thin, flowy pants that are super good for conservative countries that are also very hot. My other pair of jeans, pajama pants, 3 leggings. I brought 5 pairs of leggings total, and I brought the 2 black ones with me backpacking. I'm big legging girl, so I wore these on the ship a lot. And the 1 pair of sweatpants I brought with. I don't think you really need more than 1 pair of sweatpants, at least personally. I brought some joggers too, but sweatpants I only had 1. That's that whole packing cube. The only thing that's left in here is basically this little toiletries thing. And so this is just all the extra toiletries that I had. The only thing I overpacked really was toiletries. And so I have like extra lotion, allergy medication, a massive thing of Advil that I didn't go through, Dramamine that I didn't use because I don't get seasick, more bug spray, Claritin. Like I just brought too much of that kind of stuff. Other than that, I didn't really overpack, which was actually really nice. I feel like I did a really good job packing. So you should definitely check out my packing video to see like specifically everything I brought. Thank you so much for watching. Semester at Sea literally changed my life. So I highly, highly, highly recommend you go, or at least check it out, because it seriously is the best decision I possibly could have made. And this is unpacking. My room is trash now, and I have to go through and clean it. So that's gonna be really fun. I'm not sure what the next video is gonna be. It might be how much Semester at Sea costs. Either way, it'll be coming soon if it hasn't already. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps me out more than you possibly can know. And thank you so much to everyone who has watched so far. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.